Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio F91W. This is the model with the 3 buttons. Now this tutorial is going to work for other Casio watches that feature the 3 buttons. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press the mode button 3 times. You are going to arrive here where you see the seconds beeping. You can press the button on the right in order to reset them to 0. Press the top left button in order to arrive at the hours. Now I'm going to press the button on the right in order to adjust them. You can see that we have the 24-hour display. I'm going to make it 14. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is going to move a lot faster. This is very useful for the minutes. Now I'm going to press the light button, so the top left button once again, and I'm going to set the minutes. I'm going to make it 05. Just like this. Now I'm going to press the light button once again. Here you can set the month. We can also do that. Then we can press the light button once again in order to set the day of the month. Then we can set Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. I'm going to leave it at Friday. I'm going to press the light button once again, and we are going to arrive once again at the seconds. So if I made a mistake, I can resume the process. If not, you can press the mode button once again and you are done. You have correctly set the time and date on your Casio F91W. Now if you enjoyed this tutorial guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. And if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch reviews and watch unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.